Rise and shine, eighth graders. Week 3 starts today. Woohoo! Okay, so this week we're really focused on having a test. This test obviously is not going to be something that goes in the grade book because of many circumstances, um, but I think it's important that you try and take this test. I will say too that because it's not going in the grade book, this is really a test that's about seeing where you are as a student. How do you prepare? How well are you going to do? So you'll get an online test. Once it's posted, you'll take the test, and then after you're done, you'll see your score and you'll see what the answers to the questions were. Um, there is nothing stopping you from looking up answers during it or doing anything like that. But understand that this is not going in the grade book. This is for you to see where you are as a student. Okay. So today, what I'm posting is directions for creating a study guide. What I would say, and what has been true, is that you can use this study guide on the test if you want. You could always use it as a way to prepare and then not use it on the test. Um, I would say for you guys, you want to think about like next year as high school students, what is most likely going to be your scenario? Okay, do you think you're going to get a study guide and be able to use the study guide on a test more likely? Or do you think it's more likely that you will get to create a study guide to prepare for yourself to practice and then you don't get to use it on a test? It's ultimately up to you, so try to make the best decisions. Okay, so the directions say, I think it's always best to review the content before a test. I suggest making a study guide to help you review. The following are a list of broad topics that will be covered on the test. I would encourage you to go beyond the things listed here. Using homework, readings, and other materials that are available to you will help you be the most prepared for this test. Here are 2 ways to help you review. Do one, but not the other. You can always do both if you want, I guess. So you can make a table because we've done a table before, or you can make a flow chart. And I have for you listed here like how I would create that table. So if you're making a table, it should be like a column for the term itself, like introduction to the Holocaust, then definitions, meanings, connections to other terms, causes, and effects. If you're doing a flow chart, which I personally like more, um, that's something where you have a center bubble and then you try to make as many connections as possible. So just some ideas for the center bubble could be axis for one center bubble. It could be allies for another. It could be causes for one, effects for another. It's really up to you and how you think is best for you to study. Below, these are the lessons that we taught, and then on the right are the topics and some key vocabulary for you. Okay. Um, the test itself will be posted on Wednesday, and then you will have, I'll leave it open for the following 2 weeks because after this week is over, it's technically spring break, but there's no harm keeping that open for you guys. All right. I have my office hours on Wednesday if you have any questions for me. And that is it. Hope you're all well. Hopefully, we see each other before this school year is over. All right. Bye.